Hey everyone, welcome back to Pianalytix. I am back with yet another Power BI tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can create a drill through in Power BI. Now, for those of you who don't know, drill through is a feature in Power BI that allows you to analyze visuals in Power BI in even greater detail by moving between reports and analyzing the same data set. So, what that essentially means, we will understand by looking at our data and visuals here. So, I have data for a stationery store. There are a lot of qualitative and quantitative columns, and I have these two very simple visuals here. This is a bar chart that shows total sales by the category of product, namely three categories: furniture, office supplies, and technology. Now, again, I have a pie chart here which shows total sales by different regions, namely three regions: South, North, and the Central region. Now, suppose you show this dashboard to your stakeholder or your manager or anyone who is way above in the hierarchy. Now, and that person asks you to show, give more details about a particular visual. Say they ask you, oh, okay, so the furniture category had this many sales and profits and quantity sold, but what I want to know is what was the name of the customer who bought this, who bought from this category, and which year did they, place their order. And if they can also ask what was the subcategory of the product that they bought, which segment did the product fall under, right? And there are a bunch of other questions that can be asked. So one thing that can be done here is what I have also done is I have created two other pages. So this page shows total sales divided by subcategory, and there are three tables. So this one shows total sales by subcategory, this one shows sales by segment of products, and this one shows sales by the year that the product was the order was placed, right? And here this page shows total sales by the name of the customer and total sales by the city where the product was purchased. Now, I mean, it will be very awkward just, clicking on these little pages here and then, telling them, oh, okay, so these are the sales. But then again, how do you filter this table with the furniture segment? What you will need to do is add a slicer here. So that will just make your job very, very difficult and complex. And this will just, add redundancy to your report. What you can do is, and this is a great feature in Power BI, is set up a drill through. What that means is, right now, if I click on this furniture bar here, right click, there is no drill through option that is being given to me. But what I can do is, I can go on this page here and I will just right click anywhere on the page and I will click on format canvas. So here we are not formatting the visuals, but we are formatting the page that the visuals are, right? So under page information, I will select page type as drill through. And here it asks me to drill through from. So I will add data. Right now I'm doing it for the pie chart which shows region by sales, sales by region, and the bar chart which shows sales by category. So I want to drill through from those two qualitative columns. So I will add category here and I will also add region. Now, if I go back to the main page and I right click on the bar here for the furniture, it gives this option called drill through. And now it is allowing me to drill through to the subcategory segment here. But before that, you need to focus on this thing. Now it shows total sales as ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 5,68,595. Keep this number in mind. Now if I right click on the furniture bar here and drill through to the subcategory page, yes, so look at the total sales here. Now all three of these tables have been filtered by the furniture category. We can see that the total number of sales has also changed. Now the sales number is obviously the same in all three categories here because total sales remain the same no matter what filter you apply to it. So total sales for each subcategory will be equal to the total sales of each segment for the furniture category, right? And then I can also do the same thing for our third page here. So right click anywhere on the page, say format canvas. This opens up the format pane Under page information, you get page type. You select page type as drill through, right? And then you need to add data from these two main visuals here, which are category and region. So add data from category and region. Yes. All right. So now we have set up our drill through for both of these pages here. Now I will go back and yeah, so we can now play around with this. Now let's see it for the technology pane. Look at the sales here, 2,77,000, right? Now I will right click, drill through to the subcategory, total sales 2,77,000. Similarly, go back, drill through to name or city, total sales 2,77,000. Now you can see which customer bought from the technology category and and like sales divided by customer name for the same. Now I will go back on the main page here. We can do the same for this pie chart here. Right click on the central region, drill through subcategory. All of this has been filtered by the central region. And this is how you can use the drill through feature in Power BI. Earlier, this would have been very difficult for you, but now if your manager asks you to show more detail about the southern region or about the office supply, just right click, drill through and go on to any page here and you will get all the further details. I have only added a few tables here, but say you can add any number of data that you want. You can add, pie chart for country by sales. And yeah, and then it will, be connected to the drill through feature here. So northern and drill through to subcategory here, and now it is showing northern countries only, so UK, Sweden, Finland and so on. So yes, this was it for the tutorial. You are allowed to play around with this. You can make it even more attractive, add so many more visuals to your columns and then use the drill through feature. Again, it allows you to see further detail about your visuals, and this is a great way to enhance the look of your report and add more depth to your reports. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below. I will be more than happy to answer it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Pianalytix channel. We are coming up with new and even more advanced Power BI content every single day. So please stay tuned and all the best on your journey to becoming a Power BI developer. Thank you so much and I am signing off.